group chat with all the girls and it's stressed me out because some of them are ready. No, I'm not. Let's see how. That's like summer. Guess who's in Manchester again? Me. Welcome back. Just because we're doing some short videos doesn't mean it's the end of the get readies. I'm in Manchester for a very exciting event and I've got to start to get ready now. It is the Amelia Olivia event, collab with the Beauty Crop, and we are all in Manchester. And also this hotel is probably one of the nicest I've ever stayed in. Like, look how nice that is. It's 3:15 and we have to be downstairs and ready for 5. Essentially, I have finished nights this morning, so I've had an hour's sleep. I'm nervous, I'm stressed. Currently trying to eat. So I'm eating bread. It's chaos in here. Chaos. But anyway, let's get ready. So I'm starting on hair today. This is the GHD Rise and I have been absolutely loving it. It is a hot brush and it is honestly the best hot brush that I have tried. I'm acting like I've tried loads of hot brushes because I actually haven't. Also, how cute. This hotel is just the nicest hotel ever. It's called the Yotel in Deansgate if anyone's coming to Manchester, and it's got a little drinks machine on each floor, so you can go and get coffees, waters, teas. Just got a double espresso because I've literally, like I said, had an hour's sleep post night. And it's sensational. I'm very excited. Essentially, Amelia Olivia, I don't know if you know her on TikTok, she has done a collaboration with the Beauty Crop. Surely you know her. I might just put some rollers in the top part of it. So yeah, it's very exciting. As always, I'm very nervous. Imposter syndrome and all of that. But anyway, so let me come back when I'm going to do my glam. See you in a minute. The rollers are in. I look so red in there, so red. I've only done like half a head just to add some volume at the top. I'm gonna start on the glam now because it's 3:30 and we really need to get going. Thinking of putting these are the Beauty Cooler collagen eye masks and they are delicious. Look at that slime. Got a bit of a better setup than last time, so I'm hoping that this works. So I'm starting with my brows. We're gonna go in with Pink Honey because I've been absolutely loving this and I've been loving it dry actually. Firstly, working my eyebrows back. I really don't know what to expect with tonight. Like, I am excited, nervous, all over the place. It actually looks so nice outside weather-wise and kind of didn't expect it. I feel like September hits in my eyes and I'm like, it's winter. Do you know what I mean? I'm wearing layers. I'm wearing black. I actually am wearing black tonight. I am having second thoughts about my outfit because basically I've had it for like 2 months and now I am feeling very nervous. Very nervous. Don't know whether I like it anymore. Do you know what I mean? Look how red I look. I'm thinking of doing a smoky brown wing today, so I'm going to go in with the Jordana Tisha Nude Divinity palette, and it is the best palette ever. And I don't know which shades to go in with. I think I'm starting with one of these shades here, so it's kind of like a little bit cooler and it's undertones, and then I'm going to go on that with a thicker angled brush. So I'm starting by drawing like a thick line, and then we're going to smudge that out. So this is going to kind of be the foundation. It doesn't have to look perfect because we're going to build on it, and like I did my little smoky wing video, essentially doing the same thing. So I'm going to go in with this brush and just start to blend it. I just literally love like a smoky wing. I checked in like with at 2:30. I should just start getting ready there because like I went to find a veggie prep which I can't even eat because I don't have time to eat it, and then also went to find a phone case because my phone case is broken and I don't want to get drunk and then drop my phone. So basically I was mucking around. I took the mic today, the Michael. Anyway, we're going to deepen that a little bit. Go in with this one here. This is a new Sigma angle brush and it is so good. So we're going to go in with a slightly darker one now. I think in like this Celine. We'll go in this shade here. And a smaller brush once again. Just going at the base of that once again. Right, then we're going to go in with a real dark shade. So I'm thinking like Iris, which is this like really dark, like almost black shade, and just stamp that at the bottom and then like just smudging that bit out so it's really slick. So yeah, I had to get here early anyway, but I stupidly booked the train for, it was like 10 to 12, so I thought that'd be fine, but then logically I went to sleep at 8:30, then I had to wake up at like 10 to then make sure I was awake enough to drive to the train station. And then also this morning I got home early and I was like, oh my gosh, yes, I've got more time to sleep, it's going to be fine. And then the nurse in charge calls me and is like, have you got the controlled drug keys? And I was like, I looked down to my pocket and I was like, yeah. And if you're a nurse, you know what that means. I had to drive back. I drove back, got in my car, it's 7:30, I had to drive back to drop the keys off and come back. Going in with this gorgeous Sigma green, which is here, and then just popping that on the inner parts of the smoke to add a bit of green. This pigment is honestly so pretty, just honestly gorgeous. Right, I think I'm gonna leave the eyes like that and then decide whether I want like an inner wing. Am I gonna pre-drink tonight? Probably not. Will I die if I do? Very likely. I bought vodka, but then I just think post night I get drunk so easily. I've got these gorgeous lashes from Kiss and they just look so nice, and I just think, imagine a little half lash with this look, it would just finish it off so nicely. Look at this. Slipping through my fingers all the time. We need to start on the base now because we've got an hour. I'm gonna go in with the Bobbi Brown first to prime. So I'm gonna lather this on, lather, because this is gonna add moisture, it's gonna prime, it's just gonna make my skin, hopefully, if she takes part, look amazing. I'm in a group chat with all the girls and it's stressing me out because some of them are ready. No, I'm not. Ready by the minute. Then I'm going to go in with the Beauty Crop and Vitamin Babe. I haven't used this combination before, but I saw someone say that you used it on TikTok and it works really well apparently. So, right, I have put a lash on and I don't know whether I like it, but we've got to go on with the base. I'm starting with the Vitamin Babe concealer. I've just put half a lash on, so I don't know whether I like it. I'm just going to press that into the skin. As always, I've been blessed with another friend that is living on my cheek, but it was fine, it wasn't angry. And then today, night shift decision, tried to squeeze it. Then I'm going to go in with Filter Finish. I'm just going to go down for about 10 past because there's actually no rush. We have to be at the venue for 6, and I'm just taking NARS Light Reflecting Foundation and just buffing that all the way throughout my skin. I have just applied a little bit of the Amber Contour by Fenty, and then I'm going to go over it with Butter Biscuit to kind of warm it up a little bit more. I am getting more nervous by the minute. Also, can you hear that? I think I'm a little bit unwell. Like, I don't know whether I'm coming down with something, but like, I'm a little bit snotty. I don't really know what's going on. Also, I might need to put some more green. Now I've got these lashes on, you can't really see the pop of green as much. Then I'm just going to go in with the Butter Biscuit and just start to blend that on top. Then I'm going to go in with the shade Sweet Cheeks. It's the blush, and I'm going to burp. Full slam. This is amazing. This is so good. You probably don't need as much as that, but I've done it. But I think I'm going to add, I've got some vodka soda lime. I think I'm going to add this cucumber and cool mint seltzer. What's a seltzer? That's going in. Oh my god. Bloody hell. That's like summer. Oh, that's sensational. Some pre-drinking out of a mug because you selfish guys are balancing on any glasses I have. Just told the girls that I'm going to be late because I'm bloody going to be late, mate. I'm just going to add some Physicians Formula just to warm my face a little bit. Then, guys, I actually got the Dior blush, the viral Dior blush. Look at her. That is my water bottle. Look at the spoon. Don't know whether to smoke out my under eye. I'm thinking maybe doing like an inner corner moment. I'm going to start with this little liner brush first and just start to stamp the colour down. Then to finish, I'm going to go in and do a little glass in thing that I saw on TikTok. I think it was actually Amelia that did this. So this is taking the Champagne Spray blush, the Candy Trip blush, and then a little bit of Flawless Filter. Mix them together on my hands. It kind of creates that like really nice glowy finish, and then I'm gonna drench my beauty blender in it and just press that on the tops of my cheek. Okay guys, we're ready. I think I'm a bit stressed, I'm not gonna lie, and I don't know whether I like my hair like this or whether I should take it up or what, but like I feel like I should probably just like leave it alone, but I just can't stop messing with it. Anyway, this is the finished makeup look. I hope you love it. Very stressed out, but let me show you the dress. So this is the back and then this is the front. It's kind of like a little slip dress. It's got a bit of a corset. Yeah, I'm gonna go downstairs and meet everyone now. But yeah, I love you all so much and thank you for being here as always. I'm sorry it was chaotic, but yeah, I love you. Bye. See you next week.